Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motorcars. I've got a fully built Restomod for you guys here today. 69 Chevrolet Camaro. This guy is no ordinary Camaro though. It may look like a normal small block underneath here, but this is a BluePrint stroker motor, 383, making about 430 horsepower, paired up with a 4-speed 700 R4 in here. It does have like a 2500 stall FTI converter in it, so it gets, you know what I mean? It moves on here. This guy, turnkey, fires right up, everything works on this. This whole car has been ran through, like I said, BluePrint 383 on here. We do have AC on this guy, I believe it's the vintage air. Aftermarket power steering on this guy that has been added, upgraded alternator. I mean, the whole 9 yards on here. Disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. Aftermarket wheels, as you can see on here, I believe these guys are 18s with the red line tires. Full QA1 setup in the front, QA1 upper lower arms, coilover, stuff like that. Come in, look at this interior, man. Everything on this car has been touched. Brand new interior through and through. New seats, carpet, headliner, center console. Look at the gauges too. Gauges, we even put in these nice classic instruments, aftermarket gauges in here. Super clean. This whole car has been ran through, guys. I'm talking super nice. Look at this trunk in here. Fully finished trunk. Normally these guys are just open and bare in here, but we've actually kind of carpeted everything in, put these panels in, try to make it super nice. Paint is in phenomenal shape on this guy. If you can see it in the sun, not a chip, blemish, anything like that. Awesome. White and red, great classic combo. Come over here and take a look. The dash and everything is in great shape. Like I said, interior, fantastic on this car. I could sit here and talk about it all day long, everything about this, the suspension, the engine, the transmission, the interior. Let's go for a drive and I'll prove to you how well this thing really does.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Fires right up, no problems. Already getting sideways. Oh, this car's nothing but smiles. Nothing but smiles. If you were to tell me this car was an LS, honestly, I'd believe you. This thing runs that good. And I'm an LS guy through and through. Gotta be honest with you guys. I'm not really a big carburetor fan. They're kind of finicky all the time, but man, this thing, I've drove this car home before for like a week. No problems, fired right up every single time. Took the wife out in it, went to dinner in it. Loves it. Engine runs good, transmission shifts great. It's got the perfect stall converter for the cam in this thing too. Rowdy is how I'd call it. But it's not overpowered, you know? The real nice thing that I really like about this car too, you can get on it and it sounds amazing. I mean, it's got that muscle car sound that you want. But with this 700 R4 in this thing and the overdrive, I want to say it's got a 373 gear in the rear end. Not too bad. I mean, you could drive this thing 70 miles an hour on the highway, no problems. Like, you're turning at about 2,500 RPM doing that, so you're not making the motor scream. I mean, you really could daily drive this thing, drive it to California and back if you wanted to. It's a great runner. Let's see. This thing runs great, man. I can honest to God say, whoever buys this car is going to be a happy customer for a long time. Though the BluePrint motors in these things, I've had nothing but good experiences with BluePrint, honestly. I've worked here for about 6 years now, and every single BluePrint motor that I've ever had runs great, has no problems. I mean, like I said, I drive this car to California and back in a heartbeat, and I think the only thing that you would need to do is probably stop at a gas station every 150 miles, is what I would say. But driving a car like this, you're really not worried about MPG, is what I would say. You know, it's miles per gallon in this unit. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for the 69 Chevy Camaro. Come in, let me know what you think, take it for a drive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.